Well, if you want to put these list items as horizontally instead of vertically, what we can do is let's copy this one, horizontal. Horizontally, okay. Yeah, this we don't want. Let me give an ID of this unordered list. ID is my list. Okay, now we will create a style element. In this style element, I'm going to say that my first you have to put the pound sign key to reference the ID my list. Okay, so what I want to say that whatever all list items which are in my list ID, so my list ID list item, okay, I want to say that by default it is on the left side. I will say display as a block, right? And what I can say that color yellow. Yeah, oh, but it is not visible. That's red. Let's take a red. Yeah,